welcome to Vikram's home, where together we find solutions for everything. I'm Vikram, and on this show, people call me for help with their home. But first, here are some words you need to know.
Laughing. Present. Spider. Surprise.
Hi, welcome to the show. How can I help you?
Hi, Vikram. I'm Lincoln. I bought a big statue for my living room. It's a beautiful horse, but my wife hasn't seen it yet.
Oh, that's exciting. A horse statue. How big is it?
It's very big, about 6 feet tall. I want to surprise my wife for her birthday tomorrow, but I don't know where to hide it. I want to surprise my wife for her birthday tomorrow, but I don't know where to hide it.
6 feet. That's really big. Where is it now?
It's in the garage. I tried to cover it with a blanket, but the blanket is too small. Only half of the statue is covered.
Oh, I see the problem. Can you get a bigger blanket? Or maybe 2 blankets?
That's a good idea. Oh, wait. I hear the garage door. She's home early from work. She's home early from work.
Don't worry. Can you quickly close the door between the garage and the house?
Yes, I'm closing it now, but she always comes inside through the garage door. She'll see it for sure.
Maybe you can tell her not to go in the garage. Say there's a big spider?
Okay, I'll try. Oh, too late. I can hear her in the garage. She's quiet, very quiet. Now she's laughing.
She's laughing? That's good.
She's calling me now. She says she loves the horse statue. She says it's the best birthday present ever. Thank you, Vikram.
Wonderful. Sometimes the best surprises happen when we don't plan them. Another problem solved. Thank you for listening to Vikram's Home. See you next time.